Hi, I'm Shelley Wood. You might know me from shelleywood.com. This is my tiny sewing room where I make doll clothes sewing videos. Today, I'm going to show you how to create a table display at a craft fair or craft show. Now, before I left for the craft fair, I scoured my whole craft room for all the things I thought I might need for my table displays. I do have a list, a sort of checklist on my website, shelleywood.com, if you'd like to see my craft fair checklist before you go do yours. Now notice this little red basket that I rolled in and started unloading things with. You might want to get something like that so that you have a little rolling craft cart to transport your goods. I really like mine. It has an extendable handle, which is nice because it can retract so it will then fit in my car trunk. Now my table was provided by my craft fair partner, someone who is right next door to me and selling miniatures, which was very similar to the projects that I had on display. And it's a really great idea to share a booth with someone if you can. Also, if you value an item like my Shelley Wood doll, I recommend that you don't take your favorite things to the craft fair but use a look-alike instead. Now when building a cardboard diorama like this, balloon weights can hold the frame in place. And here I am building my cardboard diorama. It's actually the same one that I use in my videos. Very similar anyway. It looks like my little sewing room. And you see that tapey looking stuff? Those are called glue dots, and they'll hold all those little pieces in place, which is really handy, especially when people walk by and jiggle the table. You don't want all your stuff to move around. Glue dots keep those small items from moving. I posted signs on each of my dioramas. People took photos of these dioramas as they came around, and I encouraged that. And because of the signs, they were able to remember what website to visit, and they could share them on social media with friends and family. I used tape, you'll see that at the top, to hold the frames together in a nice little tripod. Straight pins held the wood in place. Straight pins also hold up mirrors, wreaths, and picture frames. It's important to think about how you pose your dolls or other products to give passers-by something to talk about. Lastly, visit with people as they walk by. You can see me making friends and just getting to know other people who sew for dolls. Making friends and meeting people is really a lot of the fun of doing a craft fair or craft show. Well, that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching. If you like my videos and free patterns, please share them on your favorite social media platforms. It really helps my website grow if you spread the word. Goodbye.